Namaste everyone. Mahati Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. In the previous sutras from 1.34 to 1.40, we explored various ways to steady the mind: breath awareness, concentration on inspiring objects, dream reflection, and meditating on anything uplifting. Now, Maharishi Patanjali describes what happens when the mind becomes truly steady. This sutra reveals a beautiful state, the crystal-like mind. The sutra itself says क्षीण वृत्तेर अभिजातस्य इव मणे ग्रहित्र ग्रहणा ग्रहेषु तत् istada tad anjanat samapattihi. The word by word meaning of the sutra is, the first word is ksheen vrattir, means when the mental modifications become weakened. Abhijatasya means transparent or purified. Iv is a word meaning like. Manen means of a crystal. Grahitra, the knower. Grahan, the process of knowing. Graheshu, the object or the knowable. Tat istata, that is remaining in it. The next word is tad anjanat, takes the color or form of that, meaning whatever it is placed upon. The next word is tat isthita, meaning remaining in it. The next is tad anjanat, takes the color or form of that, meaning whatever it is placed upon. The last word is samapatti. This absorption or merging is called samapatti. The meaning of the sutra is, when the fluctuations of the mind are weakened, the mind becomes like a clear crystal that reflects the object, the process of knowing, and the knower, all without distortion. This absorption is called samapatti. Maharishi Patanjali is describing here a profound meditative state when the mind becomes quiet, free from agitations, prejudice. It becomes like a perfect crystal, or say prism, transparent, pure, and reflective. Such a mind doesn't project its own likes and dislikes, fears, or memories on what it sees. It simply reflects. In this state, the object shines clearly. The process of meditation becomes effortless, and the meditator's sense of I am doing dissolves. The mind becomes one with the object of meditation. This merging, without distraction, without distortion, is samapatti, a preparatory stage for deeper samadhi. Samapatti is a meditation. In this meditation, grahita, grahan, grah are included. So, meditation can be on the perceiver, on the object perceived, and on the manner in which perception occurs. Just like a flawless crystal reflects any color placed near it, the pure mind reflects whichever object it is placed upon. This sutra teaches us, when the mind becomes pure, steady, quiet, perception becomes correct, inner clarity arises, and the meditator begins to experience a taste of true stillness. Samapatti is not the final goal, but the doorway. It is the moment when effort reduces and natural harmony begins. This sutra also shows why earlier practices, which we learnt in Sutra 1.34 to 1.40, are important. They prepare the mind for this clarity. Now reflect and think of moments when your mind felt quiet, watching the sunrise, listening to soft rain, or just sitting peacefully after meditation. Did you notice how the world appeared clearer? This is the small glimpse of samapatti, when your mind stops coloring the experience. So the essence of this sutra is A pure mind reflects truth as it is. When the mind becomes transparent, like a crystal, meditation becomes effortless, and the boundary between the observer and the observed dissolves. So, this is Sutra 1.41, the beautiful description of a crystal clear mind. In the next episode, we will explore deeper forms of samapatti. Namaste.